Hello everyone, I am Neha Gaute and welcome to our channel Electronics with Neha. In today's video, we convert octal number system into the binary number system. So what is the base of octal number system? It's 8 and the base of the binary number system is 2. So we convert this octal number system into the binary number system. Okay. Let's see the some steps. First, write the given octal number as it is. Okay. Then replace each octal digit by its 3-bit equivalent binary number. That means given number we have to write down first. Then we replace each and every digit of the octal number right in their equivalent 3-bit binary number. Because we know that octal number system is a 3-bit binary number system. Okay. Let's see the one example. What is the given example? We convert 456.732. This number is in octal form. We converted into the binary. So what is our given number? 456.732. This is in the octal. We converted into the binary form. So write down the each and every digit of octal number system is in 3-bit binary. So write down 4. How we write down in the 3-bit binary? 4 is 100. Okay. For the 5, 101. 6, 110. Point. This is our binary point now. Then 7. We write the 7 in 3-bit binary. 111. Then 3. Write down the 3 in 3-bit binary. 011. And last is the 2. We write down in the 2 is in the 3-bit binary. 010. So this is the conversion of in the binary form. So write down 100, then 101, then 110, binary point, then 111, then 011, and then 010. This is the conversion into the binary number system. So base is 2. Let's see again next example. 670.17. So what is our next example? 670.70. This is in the octal form. We converted into the binary form. Okay. So base is 2. So what is our first step? Write down given number as it is. So 670.17. Write down each and every digit of octal number system into the equivalent 3-bit binary. So 3-bit binary for the 6, 3-bit binary for the 7, 3-bit binary for the 0. Same like that 1 and 7. So what is the 3-bit binary for the 6? 110. 3-bit binary for the 7? 111. 0 is converted into the 3-bit binary. 000. Point. Write down the 1 in 3-bit binary. 001. Write down 7 into the 3-bit binary. 111. So what is our conversion of octal into the binary? 110, 111, 000, point, 001, 111. This is the conversion into the binary form. It is very simple conversion, octal into the binary. Only we have to write each and every digit in the 3-bit equivalent binary. We see the next conversion in the next video. Thank you.